Dogman Unleashed by Dave Pilkey. Our story thus far. Hi everybody, welcome to our second Dogman novel. This comic introduction will help you get caught up on the epicness. In a world where evil cats wreak havoc on the innocent, and sinister villains poison the souls of meek. One cop and one police dog had what it took to keep the peace. Stop, thief! No way! Officer Knight was the city's toughest cop, and together they kept the city safe from scum. But then, a bomb? I'll put my best men on it. One tragic blunder changed their life forever. Which wire should I cut? Red or green? Okay, it's green. And so... Oh no! I forgot dogs are colorblind. The doctor had sad news. Boo-hoo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. And your head is dying too, cop. Rats. But just when all seemed lost, hey, why don't we sew Greg's head into Cop's body? Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. I know. And soon a brand new crime fighter was born. Oh man, I unwittingly created the greatest cop of ever. And it was true, Dogman had the advantages of both man and dog. But there was a dark side too. Dogman had some very bad habits. He slobbered all over everybody. Oh, gross. He was obsessed with balls. And for some weird reason, he liked to roll around in dead fish. Oh man, not again! Dogman, you are an awesome cop. But you're a bad doggy. You better be a good boy or you'll be in a dog house. Will our hero be able to overcome his canine nature and be a better man? Or will his bad habits get the best of him? Find out now. If you like action, suspense, romance, and laughs, then Dogman is go. Dogman is go? That don't make no sense. But we like it. Enjoy! Chapter 1 The Secret Meeting by George and Harold. Early one morning at the cop station, Dogman was being very obnoxious. Hey! Stop it, Dogman! Let go! Cut it out! Hey, what's this? Chief's birthday is today? Let's have a party! We can all help plan it. Calling all cops! Calling all cops! And so, I'll make a card. I'll make a cake. We'll do the decorations. Now, we all need is presents. What should we get him? Chief is always forgetting stuffs. I know. Let's get him these brain dots to make him smarter. Good thinking. What else? I know. Chief is very lonely. Hi, let's get him a pet to keep him company. What kind of pet? How about a fish? Good idea. Fish are awesome pets. And they aren't filthy and obnoxious like dogs. Okay, it's settled. Dogman, I'm putting you in charge of buying a fish. But remember, don't buy a dead one. Chief does not like to roll around in dead fish. Only you like that. So don't buy a dead one. Hey, we gotta hurry. Chief will be back in 2 minutes. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Who's a good fish buyer? Dogman got so excited, he flipped. Hey guys, we have heard about Fliprama before. So let me just show you another example. If you haven't watched my earlier videos, better you go watch now and you will learn more about Fliprama. Here is one. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Don't buy a dead one. So y'all can see how the Fliprama works. Go get the fish. Oh, hi, Dogman. Hey! Dogman! Next chapter coming soon. Subscribe and click the bell notification so you won't miss even a single episode of mine.